Okay, Micromod Dude here again, and basically got my Roku stick plugged in already, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out to see how it works here. Of course, once I turned it on, I put it on the right HDMI input, and this right away was already on my screen. So this is the first thing I saw when I switched it to input one. So basically, I didn't see anything else. So I'll go ahead. I got my remote control right here. And I'm just going to hit OK on the remote stick. Make sure that's nice and set up there. Okay. Looking for wireless networks. Okay, so it's going to scan. And of course it sees my home internet there. And let me just pause this real quick while I punch this in. Okay, so I connected it to my Wi-Fi router there. And now it says, now your Roku player will get the latest software. Once the update is installed, it will restart automatically. All right, let's go. Okay, so it's updating there. I don't know if this takes about a year or two, or I think it's going pretty fast. I have I use Spectrum internet for my home system, and I got the 400 megabyte package, so it's quick. It's really fast, extremely fast, more than I need. But yeah, so it's doing this real quick here. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. All right, let me just pause it here so you guys don't have to wait too long. Okay, so we just now it's restarting the software update there. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Let me turn off that backlight. Okay, Google, turn off light. There it goes. Yeah. You can still see me pretty good there. Okay. So I'm going to sit on my couch and relax. Well, maybe I shouldn't because this is recording my voice. All right, so this is quite a setup here. Come on. What's it doing? Trying to communicate to Mars or something? Well, all right, so auto detect type display. Press OK on Roku will analyze your HDMI connection. I got 4K, so let's see what happens here. Well, I hit OK. Okay, oh, I got 4K. No, I want 4K. So what is it saying? This is? Just keep playing for. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, that's good enough. 4K detected, you see that? So we're good with 4K. All right. Display type set, keep auto detect. Is the screen displayed correctly? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Right, let me just, yeah, it looks good. Okay, control TV and power and volume can be controlled with your remote. Check your remote settings. Okay. Power. Check remote settings. Please point your Roku at the TV. Yes, music explained. Yes, music stopped. Success. Your Roku remote is set up to control this TV's power and volume. Remember to point to your TV remote at this. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Activate your Roku player. Enter your email address to get Roku's activation link and start streaming. Oh, now it wants my info. It wants me to be plugged into the board. All right, so let me put on pause real quick one more time so I can get this set up. Let's see here, all done. Okay, it says go to the right. Okay, so there it is, basically. I just have to play around with this because I never used this Roku before. But yeah, Netflix, Sling, ESPN, Live Channel 4. So yeah, it's all good stuff there. Where's the Roku channel? That's what I want, a Roku channel right there. I wanted to see what this is about because you get a bunch of free stuff on here too. So look at that. So it's got basically all Game of Thrones. Of course, you gotta probably pay for that. It's HBO. Horror. Look at all these horror flicks, TV, action, Endgame. Look at all that. I wonder if these are free or not. So it's the Roku channel. All right, how do I go back? So we'll get the back channel here. Okay, let me go back. Okay, press the home button up here. That brings me back home. Okay. Free featured. Okay, all right. So, okay. Some free goodies here. Yeah. So that's basically about it. I'm going to have to play around with this. You know, play around and see what all the fun stuff is about. I'll probably put this in my back TV because my back TV is not a smart TV. So I could do all this here with my Samsung that I have on here already. So, you know, if you have a Samsung TV, you don't really need a Roku that much. But let me try the voice activation here. So we got the voice activation there. Let me see. Let's try to look for find movies for me. Okay, so I told it to find movies for. Oh, look at that! It's got Contagion. Ooh, yeah. That's what's happening right now in China with the coronavirus. You guys watch this movie here because that basically details what is happening in China right now as we speak. What is it today? Today's February 1st, 2020. So watch that movie if you guys want to know what's happening in China because it basically details it. It's exactly the same virus. Let me see what happens here. Do I get to play for free? No, requires. So if I want to do Cinemax, so let's see. So it's about $3 to watch it. Okay. So yeah, I gotta. What I want to know is how do I go to my account settings? Let's see. So is there a way for my payment information? Oh, I need to get rid of that one right there. Because I don't want nothing to be charged on this. So basically there it is. This is your Roku Plus with the voice activation. You know, the voice activation, you just press it right here. You press it and say, hey, let me watch a nice movie today. Let go. And then there's the movies, okay? All right, so, wow, look at this, got a bunch of gospel stuff. What, you think I'm Christian or something? Yep, praise Jesus, amen. All right, well, there it is. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I need those 1,000 subscribers to keep my monetization going again. It got blocked by YouTube. And until next time, peace.